Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Atlas battery. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Make sure you have a new battery that matches your vehicle's specifications. You'll find the battery located under the hood, typically on the passenger side. Safety is key, so ensure your vehicle is off and cool before starting. Now, let's disconnect the old battery safely. Always turn off your engine and remove the key from the ignition to prevent any electrical issues. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. Use your wrench for this step. Finally, carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal connections thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery securely into the tray and fasten any hold-down clamps or straps. When connecting, attach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, ensuring a tight fit. You're almost done. Double-check that all connections are tight and the new battery is stable in its tray. Now, start your engine to confirm proper battery function. Listen for a smooth start. Finally, check your dashboard for any warning lights. If everything looks good, you've successfully changed your VW Atlas battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.